Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change or link your Squarespace site to Google Sites. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be showing you some certain things on Squarespace. However, I do not have a premium or a purchased domain, so I won't be able to show you guys most of this. However, I have that covered in a different window. So let's just first go across what you need to do on Squarespace. So first, you're going to need to prepare things on the Google Sites side of things. However, once you're done with that, for step 2 and onward, you're going to need to go into settings on Squarespace, click on domains and email, click on domains, select the domain that you want to link. This will allow you to access the DNS records. Now, I only have the built-in domain, so I can't really do anything, but if I could, I would have the DNS records there, and I could edit them like this. Now, this is a Squarespace Help Center article for connecting your Squarespace domain to Google Sites. And first, you need to start the connection on Google Sites. You need to click on your website, click on the settings gear icon, then in the setting window, go to custom domains, start setup, enter the domain you want to connect from Squarespace, click next, and then connect to a third-party domain registrar window, and that window will open with the records to add to your DNS settings in Squarespace. Now you're going to go over into your DNS settings as I've shown you previously. Click on DNS and pop the red trash can to delete any existing Squarespace defaults. Then just delete anything else that you might want to delete and add a custom record. For the type, you need to select a CNAME record, add the www as the host, paste ghs.googlehosted.com for data, and priority, you need to leave it at the default setting, then leave by clicking save, and that will create the CNAME. Then you need to add the domain forwarding rule by opening the domains dashboard, click the name, go to website, and click the domain forwarding rules, add a rule, and in the forward from field, enter @ or any subdomain you might want. Then enter the full URL of the domain you'd like to forward. Then under advanced settings, select either temporary redirect or permanent redirect, 302 or 301 respectively. Those are the redirect codes. Then under forwarding over SSL, it's recommended to keep it on. Under path forwarding, select maintain paths to maintain the URL paths to your original domain, and remove paths to have all URLs forward to the new address, depending on your wishes. Click save, and that completes the process. Then complete the connection in Google Sites by connecting to a third-party domain registrar through the window and clicking done, and it might take from a day to 3. Then log into Google Sites, get to the dashboard, click on your website, click the gear icon for settings, and in the settings window, click on custom domains, and when the domain is correctly linked, it'll appear under connected domains, and that's all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.